Hello all, Vinod here from Entrance Engineering Academy. So here in this video, I'm just going to introduce to the course. Okay. See, actually the course is not officially launched. This video is just about pre-registration. Before going into that, I will just say one thing. Why I am making this video? Very simple. I received a few messages in WhatsApp, and one or two students called me. And so one student commented in our previous video also. They asked only one thing, like when this gate ME course, gate mechanical course is going to be launched, and when we can start registering, and all those details only. So detailed intro of the course I'm not going to do here, because the websites are under a process. Okay, so we are making our website, we are modifying the website, and even the apps are also getting developed. Both Android and iOS app are getting developed. So I'm not going to talk in detail about the course. I will be doing it later in the first or second week of February. So as of now, I'm just going to say one thing, that we are starting the pre-registration. What does it mean? Like you will have a 13-month validity if you are preparing for GATE 2022, and if you will be having a 25-month validity if you are preparing for GATE 2023. So what happen is you will be getting added into the course now itself. Okay, whenever you are going to register, if you are registering today, you'll be getting added into the course now itself, and the course will be valid until GATE 2022 comes. Okay, so if you are registering for GATE 2022, if you are registering for GATE 2023, it will be until the GATE exam. Okay, GATE 2023. Okay, or else once after the registration started, if you are registering, the validity will be 1 year, 12 months. If you are registering on February 1, then it will be valid until February 1 of next year. If you are registering on March 1st, then it's going to valid for March 1st next year. That is 1 year validity plan. 2 year validity plan will be if you are registering March 1st on 2021, then it's going to be valid for the next 2 years. Okay, same March 1st, but not 2022, it's going to be until 2023. Okay, right. So 1 year validity and 2 year validity, it depends on you. But if you are registering now, ultimately you are going to get 1 extra month. The reason is very simple. The students would have started preparing now itself. Few of the students who are preparing for 2022 or 2023, they would have started preparing now itself. So I just don't want the students to waste this 1 month time. Okay, so of course we are going to launch the course officially from February only, but I don't want them to waste this 1 month period. So if you want to register, if you have any plan of registering in Endurance Engineering Academy, you can register now itself and you can start accessing the course now itself. But the total course won't be available, as I said already. As of now, these 5 subjects are available fully. Mathematics fully is available, thermodynamics and fluid mechanics with hydraulics. Okay, with hydraulic machineries it is available, and applied thermodynamics, it includes everything such as Otto cycle, diesel cycle, Brayton cycle, and also RAC and compressors. Okay, and strength of materials, that also completed. Strength of materials includes theory of failure also. Okay, so these all topics are already available. And coming to industrial, the present ongoing subject, presently the videos are getting uploaded. We are going to complete the first chapter and we are starting the uploading of second chapter. Okay, right. So these are the available subjects as of now. If you register today, all the subjects can be accessible by you. Okay, you can access all the subject at a time. You can take any of your wish, but I will be suggesting you some plan also. Okay, so regarding the plan, what you need to start with, what subject to start with, how to prepare, all those plans I will be giving you, what to do, what not to do, all those things. But if you have any other ideas, if you have any other plan to follow, if you already developed a plan and you are going to follow, as of now, these 5 subjects along with industrial, which is the present ongoing subject, is available. Okay. And coming for the course, what are the things will be there? It's going to contain video course, and the video course is going to be to the point lecture. The lectures are not going to be something like, there won't be any things like like what I could say, there won't be any extra stories. That's what I want to say. Okay, so to the point, what is needed for GATE, and you already know about my delivery. There are some demo videos of myself. Okay, mathematics video, thermo video, FM video, even industrial video also. There are some demo videos. You can just go and check out the demo videos and you will get to know about my delivery. Okay, so it's going to be to the point. I'm not going to running around the bushes. Okay, so I will be giving you examples, but I'm not going to say any extra stories, all those things. It's going to be to the point. Okay, why it is to the point, why I want to make the lecture to the point, because ultimately to save time, because it's like 10 or 11 subjects. Okay, so the students has to prepare, and if I keep on saying some unnecessary stories or some jokes or etc etc, it's going to ultimately take some it's going to consume your time, which is not what I want. Okay, so if you are starting a video, and whatever the knowledge which I could impart on you, and whatever the knowledge which you could observe, you can do it. Okay, and the videos are going to be short. Okay, ultimately you would have already seen it. Mostly I will try to keep it in 20 minutes or 25 minutes or even less than that, but few videos will be large. For example, if you take an example from fluid mechanics, okay, the one video which is very big was boundary layer separation, okay, flow separation. Actually, that video we cannot complete that in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It has to go for some more time. It will go for half an hour or 35 minutes. So those types of videos, a video or a concept which cannot be completed in a single in a very short time. Okay, those types of videos will be made it as a big. Otherwise, if there was any derivation which is very lengthy, we will split it into two videos. Okay, so one video will contain some 15 minutes lecture, and another video will contain some 15-minute lecture, but you will have a very good continuity. Okay, so continuity will be there from one video to another video. That jump will be very smooth. Okay, there won't be any issues in that. And why we are doing this? Okay, why to the point lectures, and why we are splitting the videos? Why we are not giving, for example, there are some videos which is available in YouTube also. You could see that a single video will be 2 hours or 3 hours or something like that, but it's not easy for students to sit before a computer or sit before what is that, a mobile phone, and to watch a 2 hours or 3 hours of video continuously. I actually, if you ask me, I won't watch. Okay, if you ask me, I won't watch. I cannot watch 2 hours or 3 hours of video continuously sitting before the system. So by making this short videos, the advantage is you will be completing a video, so that you will gain some confidence. Yeah, I completed this. You will be able to see your progress. Easily you will be able to see your progress. Okay, I completed this, there is some progress. Then after completing a video, you can just look at the notes. What are the notes you taken on that video? You can skim the notes for some 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You will gain some confidence. Okay, I did this. Now going for the next video. So this type of thing will be very, very useful. Okay, like it's like listening and parallelly you are studying also. Listening, parallel you are studying. Listening, parallel you are studying. That will be my suggestion. Okay, even in the previous videos, how to use the course effectively. Even during those videos also, I said this point, I guess. But I am again saying it because this is a separate video. I am introducing the video course. Okay, so the video course will be to the point, and it's going to be splitted up. The videos are not going to be what I could say. It's not going to be 1 hour, or it's not going to be 2 hours. Okay, that is why if you visit our website itself, you will get to know that in engineering mathematics there was around 350 videos. 350 videos. But after seeing the number of videos, don't get worried. Okay, 350 means each video will be 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes maximum. In mathematics, maximum video time was 20 minutes only, because mathematics, all the concepts are very, very short. Okay, so in other subjects, of course, in thermo, fluid mechanics and applied and strength of material, there are videos which is big, like 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 1 or 2 videos, but they are exceptions. It's like 5%. Okay, 5 to 10% of the videos will be big. All the other videos will be 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 25 minutes, maximum 25. Even sometimes I won't touch the 25 also, right? So that is what about video course, and complete syllabus will be covered. Okay, all the technical subjects and mathematics will be covered. If you are registering for GATE 2022, we are not offering general aptitude. Actually, I thought of including aptitude, but it's like the time constraint. That's what I could say. It's like a time constraint. So due to the time constraint, we won't be able to add aptitude. Okay, so positively based on the time, I will try to add some topics freely for all in YouTube itself. Okay, even though if you are registering for the course or not registering for the course, I will try. There is no guarantee regarding aptitude, but I will try to add few topics, few lectures on aptitude in YouTube itself. Okay, right. But if with respect to the course, technical subject and mathematics only, aptitude you will be having test. Okay, test will be there, subject wise, chapter wise, mock test, everything will have aptitude, but the issue is video lectures won't be available. You have to prepare from either from the placements or all those things. Okay, that is one thing which I need to specify now itself, but it will contain entire mathematics. Already the mathematics videos are already available, and all technical subjects, and I will be releasing the schedule also, which subject is going to be available from which month. Okay, all those things will be available. As of now, from January we are starting industrial. You can fix timeline like this for each 1.5 month. Okay, for each 1.5 month one subject will be released, and some subjects such as manufacturing, it will take more time. So for manufacturing we will split and release. Okay, we will release casting, metal forming, welding, then we will go for metrology, and then we will go for machining, something like that. Okay, so there won't be complete videos. We will be splitting it. For each 1 month we will be doing some 3 topics or 2 topics. Okay, so that is what about manufacturing, but all the other topics or like heat transfer, theory of machines, or industrial engineering mechanics, 1.5 months, each 1.5 months one another subject will get added. Okay, right. And now section wise and mock test. Section wise test and chapter wise test will be available for each subject, including aptitude. Okay, even for aptitude also, section wise, chapter wise will be there, and in mock test also automatically aptitude will be included. And unlimited doubt support will be through Telegram. Okay, see, for solving the problems, if you are posting any problems, it might take 24 hours for getting the solution, maximum 24 hours, or I will be giving you the time limit. I will be mentioning you in that chat itself. I will solve this problem tonight or tomorrow morning, or something like that. I will be mentioning the days. Okay, and if you are asking any conceptual question, whenever I see the message, immediately I will be answering it. Whenever I see the message, immediately you will be answering it. Okay, right. And there are some group rules also. Once if you register into the course, I will be sharing you some video. In that video, the rules of the groups will also be available. We can discuss about that later. Okay, in that video. Right. So, but unlimited doubt support, which implies that you can post questions. Okay, you can post questions, and I will try to answer as much as questions as possible. Okay, whatever the question which you are posting, whatever the of course it has to be related to GATE. That is for sure. It has to be related to the subject. And regarding doubt support, each subject will have a separate Telegram group, and on that subject group only you need to post the subject question. Okay, right. Coming for guidance through live sessions, last time, okay, that is for GATE 2021, we had one live session and one survey. Okay, live session in the sense I will be coming live only for the registered students, and I will be answering all their queries. Okay, and I will be guiding them what you need to do, what not to do, all those things. Survey, what I did, I just collected a survey among the students. What are the difficulties the students are facing through through the Google form, and then I read out all the survey. I read out all the queries which the students are facing, and I made it as a separate video. That video is already available in YouTube. You can check it out. It's like 1.5 hours of video or something like that. I tried to answer almost all the questions which students asked. Okay, so that is regarding guidance through live session. But this time, it's not going to be like survey or all those things. For the registered student, we are going to have a live session separately for guiding. Okay, for the guidance. Okay, so it's going to be like every 30 days. Okay, every 1 month, you are going to have a live session. Okay, we are going to keep a live session. That is ultimately for guiding the students what you need to do, whether what are the doubts or what are the issues they are facing. And WhatsApp. This is available for you 24/7. Okay, you can message me anytime. Okay, anytime means yes, of course you can message at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock also. If I am awake and if the phone was near me, I will be answering you immediately, because guidance is something which has to be delivered at the spots. It has to be spot on. I need to give it immediately, because there might be a possibility where students will be at stress or will be under pressure or something like that. Right? So you can message me in WhatsApp at any time. Okay, so if the query is very simple and if I can answer it through messages itself, then I will be answering through messages itself in WhatsApp. If the queries are not very simple, if the students are not mentally what I could say, mentally stable or something like that, obviously most of them will ask, sir, shall I call you or something like that. They will ask the time when I need to call you or something like that, and I will be calling them, or they will be calling me, depends on the timing. Okay, so that is what phone call. Okay, so even phone call also I will be guiding them. Okay, that you might not believe that am I doing along phone calls or something like that. I will be talking to the students in the regular interval, whomsoever want. Okay, that is what I am saying. Live session is something like I will be going and I will be sending the, like I will be sending the links and I will be sending the surveys and all those things, and if they want they will respond. And phone call, if they want to talk, they will inform me and I will talk with them. WhatsApp, for few of the students I will message them, and for few of the students they itself will message me, and then they will ask regarding what I need to do, what not to do. But anyways, when you are going to register first, I will be sending you some set of videos which contains the GATE preparation strategies, what you need to do, what not to do, all those things. Okay, so regarding the full course, ME course or XE course or ME plus XE course, initially itself I will say what you need to start, what you need to do, all those things I will be giving you. Okay, that guidance will be there. Even in between, whenever you stuck also, that time you can ask me, we can discuss. And regarding this pre-registration, okay, the validity will be until GATE 2022 or until GATE 2023. It depends on what you want to. Okay. Finally, regarding the cost, I know regarding the cost of many other institutes. Okay, so I had gone through. I will say one thing, guarantee that cost of full XE course or full ME course or full ME plus XE course, whatever the course you are going to register, even for 1 year or even for 2 years, okay, you have to note something. We are including video course and also we are including the test series. Okay, so and even doubt support and all the guidance, right? So the cost is going to be at least 40 to 50% less than that of whatever the general market rate. Okay, 40 to 50% it will be less. Why I am not saying the cost now, there is a reason for it. We have not yet launched the website, we have not yet launched the app. Okay, so website was already there, but it is a website which is made for GATE 2021. Okay, so that is why once I launch the website, all the details will be available in the website itself. There is no issues at all. Okay, so cost, everything will be transparent. But as of now, I'm not saying the cost directly in the video. Actually, I have already commented to one student regarding this ME course. Okay, regarding this ME course, it's going to be 10,999. Okay, regarding the full ME course, okay, 10,999. It includes video course of all technical subjects plus max, section wise, chapter wise test, mock test, unlimited doubt support, and also the guidance. Okay, regarding XE and regarding ME plus XE, just you can contact me. Okay, that is what. For registering, for pre-registration, you can contact me directly. Okay, the number was 9080-822-893. You can directly either WhatsApp me or you can make a call. Okay, but most preferably I will just say to WhatsApp you, because phone call means, suppose when I was in the class, okay, the personally whatever the interaction with the students I only will be doing. So when I was in the class, mostly I cannot answer your phone call. There may be any other person who can answer the phone call, but if you WhatsApp me, I will be the person who is going to reply. Okay, right. And finally, for pre-registration, as I already said, all the subjects will be available, and the next subject will be launched from February. Each 1.5 months, one subject will be launched. Regarding the schedule, I will be giving you soon. Okay, I will be giving you soon. If you want to know the schedule also, you can just message me or you can call me. I will be giving you the schedule personally, but I'm not displaying it in this video. Okay, so that is what I said. I tried to keep the price as minimum as possible. Of course, I'm not able to. I cannot keep the price lesser than that of this. Okay, even this is also a very nominal price. That is what I feel. Okay, because it includes lectures, it includes test series, and also it includes doubt support. And I can guaranteely say you that the lectures, okay, it's like something like I itself saying everything. You can just go and watch the demo videos. Okay, demo videos are uploaded. In future also demo videos will be uploaded. Okay, so presently I was taking industrial engineering subject. I will be uploading the demo videos of industrial engineering subject also soon. Okay, so you can just go through the demo videos. Then if you are interested, you can contact us for pre-registration. For 1 year, 2 year validity, okay, you are just thinking that I'm not going to register now, let me register after February. That also not an issue. Okay, so you can contact us. You can directly visit our website during February because everything will be ready during that time. Okay, so that's it. That's it all about this particular video. So if you are interested, you can call me, and even if any of your friends or any of your colleagues or whoever, okay, so those who want to prepare for GATE or BARC or ISRO or Coal India or any exams which is related, technical exams related to ME, okay, and even those who are preparing for engineering science also, okay, because we know our institute is going to offer ME, XE, ME plus XE all, okay. So if any of them are interested, please, what I could say, please share the videos, and please ask them to contact me. I will just guide them accordingly.